Congratulations on taking the next step in making sure that your child becomes a lifelong, confident, and independent reader. Now, if you are here, I'm pretty sure that you have done everything that you know how to do to help your child begin to read better. I know that many parents come to me from school systems and their children have been waiting a full school year, maybe even 2, 3 school years to make sure that their child can be evaluated for dyslexia. And that just really breaks my heart because we know as professionals, dyslexia specialists, that we can see signs as early as preschool. Maybe your child has already been diagnosed with dyslexia, but they're still not receiving the support that they need. Maybe you've tried tutoring and you still don't see that your child has made any progress. They still can't read. They still struggle to read. They don't like to read. They have anxiety. And you as a parent are just overwhelmed and trying to decide what it is that you can do for your child. And that is exactly why I created Reading Success Academy. In Reading Success Academy, I will help your child in a multi-sensory way, a systematic approach to help them really master those letter sounds. I know they may still be having some difficulties getting some of those letter sounds confused. I will help them read. Now, if your child if you're here, your child probably struggles with vowel sounds. They're probably still confusing maybe the O and the U or the E and the I sounds. Now, to become a confident reader, they really have to master these vowel sound words. Because let me tell you something, reading, it only gets more difficult, but these are the foundational skills, the consonant sounds, and then we move on to long E sounds. But first, they have to identify the sounds correctly because it's going to get more difficult because we begin to have words that do not follow the rules. Now, we're going to work with some of those words here as well. They're called sight words. Most people know them as sight words. We're going to have sight words with those vocabulary words or sight words. They will be able to read books quickly. I know right now, if your child's struggling, they probably struggle to read a book. It probably takes them a long time to read. And if they do finish the passage or the paragraph, then by the time they finish, they have forgotten what they've even read. So we're going to help them. I'm going to help them with the comprehension, with the fluency, and to really master those short vowel sound words. Now, you may be thinking, who am I? My name is Kendra E. Boywoodin, and most of my students call me Mrs. E. I'm a former teacher, special education teacher. I work with kids specifically who are struggling in reading. I am trained in an Orton-Gillingham approach. And what that is, it is a structured literacy approach where we use hands-on activities to help your child learn how to read. We help them identify those phonics rules so that they can become confident readers and lifelong readers. Now, we know that children who struggle to read, it doesn't just necessarily go away. Especially if your child has dyslexia or dysgraphia, even ADHD sometimes can impact reading. So it's important that they get those skills down now. And that's exactly what we're going to work on, those foundational skills. Now, I like to use a lot of hands-on activities. That could be anything from manipulating letter tiles or moving words around with cards, not just flashcards, not just drills, but actually doing activities that I can really work with them and identify their strengths and their weaknesses and really push them up to the next level. I guarantee, even if they don't like learning right now, even if they don't like reading, they will like reading with me. I will make sure that they really enjoy this experience. Now, this is for students who are really struggling to develop those reading skills. They're probably not on grade level. They're probably reading at maybe, depending on what type system, leveling system they use, maybe at a B or a C reading level. And their teacher says that they should be at a higher level. Or maybe you homeschool them and you've homeschooled your other kids and they've learned how to read, but this child is still struggling. This is for those kids. Work on confidence and self-esteem, because I know that when those kids are having difficulties reading, their self-esteem just goes down, 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 because no matter how hard they try, they still can't seem to read as well as the other kids. And I know that can even cause some behavior issues sometimes. We want to empower them now to help them overcome challenges so that when they become adults and they have challenges, we know we all do, they will be able to identify those challenges and have the tools they need to overcome and not just get stuck where they are. So, also, I want to tell you we have a couple of bonuses. Now, one bonus is my Victory Literacy Kit. And this literacy kit is specifically designed for kids in the Reading Success program. We're going to have dry erase boards. We're going to have dry erase markers. We're going to have letter tiles. I'll give you some of the rhymes that we use to understand the letters and the sounds of the letters. You'll get access to that. You will also have access to supplemental activities, which you can have so that your child can practice the skills that we learn in class so they can continue on the learning even at home. If this is something that you think your child needs, I encourage you to not wait any longer. This is the support that you've been looking for. If you have a couple of questions for me and you like to know more, no problem. Then you can just go ahead, and there's also a link below where you can schedule a time to talk with me, and I will share any details about the program that you need clarification on, and I will be happy to even enroll you if you feel like your child is a great fit.